going? I found you. Well, today we're on the Superior hiking trail. It's day 2 for us. We just packed up, got some breakfast in us. We're gonna go about 15 more miles today. There is a stretch where we are a little worried about water, but you know, that's what dehydration's for. You just kind of keep going until you find some. We'll see you out there here real soon. Yeah. Which way are we going? Better be going south.
That says north. To the right.
Well, we're gonna start north and hopefully head south. Last night we stayed at North Carlson Pond. Pretty cool. Down there, pretty good little stream. Get you some good water. Probably didn't even need to filter it, but you know, since we got the filter, might as well. It's kind of like MTV Cribs, got nothing really going on today. Here's our house. Here's our hallway that we're gonna follow for 15 miles. Ah, it's beautiful. Such a nice day out. It's low 60s right now. Nice and sunny, but we got this canopy above us. Here's our trail. This is pretty consistent of what we're walking on. Actually, this is probably pretty easy. Usually a lot of roots and rocks, but yeah, should be a good day. Boots are really wet, but just tie them tight so they don't chafe. Got chafe tape, that's always good. Blister tape, whatever you want to call it. Not even actually sure what it is. I just found it in a drawer like 10 years ago and it lasts forever. Just gonna keep heading down this trail, try to find some cool views, take some breaks, quick 5 minutes, get some water, get your head right, let the blood slow down a little bit. So I'll check you in a little bit. Eat it.
Move farther away, it's telling me.
We'll have to figure out which one that is.
Wow.
Wow.
Look at that beauty.
Wow.
In real life.
In real life. That's where we came from. Otter Lake Road. Just to clarify, we are in northern Minnesota right now on the Superior hiking trail. We just started. Otter Lake Road is just in from Grand Portage. Done 15.2, stayed there. So we've gone a half mile so far, but these are helpful. It's really nice they do those. An actual road right here. Probably cross. Oh, right there. Oh, that's nice. Sometimes it's down there or down there. You're not really sure. You don't want to look at your map or your phone, so you just wing it. This one, it's right here. So this is a good tour of our day. You got one campsite, 1.9 miles, 4.7. We want to go to Magny, Judge Magny. Yeah, there's a lake up here, right through there. Little lakey poo. Probably see a site coming up soon. It's always cool walking through sites. It's like seeing someone's house, seeing what's different about it, what's cool about it, what's good about it, what's bad about it. Most of them are pretty good. So before I was like, you know, mushroom people, they're dorks. But then you get out here and you're like, if I could eat some of these, I wouldn't have to pack them in. So I think I'm gonna become a mushroom dork. Those guys are pretty cool, little red guys. I assume probably don't eat those. I think it's like red, just don't do it. But I have said wrong statistics before, and don't believe me on anything, because we don't really look into anything. Like this trip, we packed our stuff. We said we're gonna start at the top. We didn't know how we were gonna get to the top. So we drove to our end point where we're gonna end in a week. We actually just stood on the side of the road and put our thumbs up, and we hitched a ride with our new friend Tony, and we made it all the way up to Grand Marais. And then we spent the night in Grand Marais, and then we were like, how the heck are we gonna get an hour north to the head of the trail? We just called a shuttle guy, an independent guy, not a shuttle service, because those shuttle services are a lot of money. Oh, pretty penny. Really good deal. Oh, what's his name? Plug him. Thomas? Oh, shit. No. I'll look it up and get back to you. But he was a good price from Grand Marais to the head of the trail, which is in the middle of nowhere. Like, it's completely out of the way. Not a lot of people going there, not a lot of houses there. So he was a really cool guy. Keep walking, hopefully come up on this next site soon. Cool little guy right there. It's like the sea urchin of the woods, but it's not prickly. What's your name, buddy? That's a good one right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Figure it out. Yep, we just picked up a new objective along the way. Gotta learn the shrooms.
Trail book has that.
The trail book. Yep, something I'll never buy. So, I mean, maybe I should, but oh, there's the internet. Just ask, look it up. Yeah, we're looking for shrooms today, and then afterwards I'll figure out what they are. Not really sure what that is. It's got a little, it's like belly button lint. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, the belly button lint came out. I'll put it back in. There you go. Maybe he was eating it. This guy's just laying here. Didn't do this. Must have been someone before. Oh. I think the mushroom might have farted. It must be eating a lot of low carb, high fiber tortillas.
You should probably bring it with because
Yeah.
you're gonna have more.
I won't. I don't fart. Yeah. Here's another guy. I wonder if someone actually cut this one.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys can see it, but it looks like a straight cut along here. Got another guy right here. Oh, nowhere good to put the knee. Let's see if I can. Yeah. Make a ball. Here's another guy. Looking good. Ooh.
Blonde.
Some more guys over here too. Well, we just rolled up to it. We're at Carlson Pond right now. And let's take a look at the pond. Here's Carlson Pond. Good little mushroom right here though. Look at that guy. Must have had a little squirrel or something take a bite out the top. That one's cool.
Jump in, take a dip.
Look at that. That's nice. All right, let's go see this thing. See how many pads there are for tents. Definitely could fit like 3-4 tents right there. Tent there, 5, 6, 7, 8, maybe one person tent there. There's a pretty good site on a little bluff. Latrines down that way. Take a little poop. Definitely a private site down here. This is great. Just kind of away from everything. A little lumpy, but private. Overall though, Carlson Pond, I mean, there isn't really any water down there. It looks really dry. There's a bluff there, but there's no real good way down. But nice and open. I like nice open sites instead of in the brush. You can see a lot. It's beautiful. I'd say it's a pretty good site. I don't know if there's water around here though. Carlson Pond looks a little dry. Keep going, see if there's water. We came from that way, so we're gonna keep going. Maybe there's some water down there because we're kind of up on a bluff, and that's some lowland over there, so hopefully there is. Let's go. Let's see. What do you guys think? Oh, looks pretty good. I think that's straight up drinkable. No floaties, no swimmies. Looks good. We'll see. Give it a little sip now, because if you get a little bit of the Schlitz later, you know, but probably won't. It's about as clean as it gets up here. Just massive natural filtration systems going on. I've been drinking this water forever. I don't read into anything, and I've been just fine. So we're gonna go with the old trial and run.
Trial and run.
I'm sticking with trial and run because you're trying it and you're running with it, but I think it's trial and error. But so far we haven't had error on the water side. We passed trial and error. Now we're on stage 2 of trial and run. So we're running with it. I'm glad we clarified that because I'm pretty sure I'm the only one who cared. Rojo bulbous. That is a big, I think these are edible. We'll see though. For next time, right? Yeah.
Beautiful.
Dude, I think this is chicken of the woods. Should we eat some later? Dude, that's really good. Yeah. I don't know. What do you think?
You think it's chicken of the woods?
I think it is.
I don't know what chicken of the woods
When I'm like half watching YouTube videos, that looks like chicken of the woods. We'll see. I'm sure there's going to be more. Let's see if I poop. I think because when you cook it, it's kind of, it's white meat. It does almost taste like chicken. Here, taste this. See if you poop. Man, it tastes like a regular mushroom.
Yeah, it does. Tastes like the
white ones at the grocery store.
Can't remember the name of them. Portobello?
Portobello. Just came all the way up there. Big down decline. But there's a sign right up here, so we're gonna go check it out. Just stop for a little coffee sesh, a little refuel on the Jolly Ranchers to bring a little sweetness to all the suck, and then a little bit of food just to keep us going, get a little protein, hit the protein shake, getting the boots back on, getting the packs on. We're gonna hit the road. Got a pocket full of Jolly Ranchers, and the first one we're eating today is watermelon. Let's get going. We got a lot of miles ahead of us. Let's go. We're gonna go check this camp out. We're not staying there. We just want to go see what it's like. We got campsites coming up in 12.5 miles, probably where we're going. We're going through the Hovland Woods, scenic natural area. River coming up in 4.5 miles. Magny parking lot, Judge Magny parking lot. I thought there was campsites there, but this says campsites not for 12.5 miles. So we'll see, but that's the goal. That's kind of back down to Highway 61 on Lake Superior. We're gonna head down this path for a while, and then next thing is Hazel Camp in a half mile. Hopefully it's cool. We're entering the scenic area. It's unlawful to collect plants, animals, as cute as they are, rocks. Fossils would be pretty sweet. I don't think we're doing that, but no camping, swimming. That's probably why it's such a long walk to the next state park. Walk gently. All right, we just got to Hazel Camp, so you know what that means. Another random Jolly Rancher pull, and we have, oh, green apple, that's what's up. So let's go check this place out. Maybe one little spot there. Maybe one spot here. I think like two tents, maybe 3 if you wanted to lay on a hill. And then over here is the latrine. Yeah, I'd say overall, okay camp. Let's go see if there's water. We found the water, so it's not a horrible sight. I'd probably filter this water, but we're gonna keep moving. We got a lot of miles to go. This one's cool. It's got a bunch of little men. This is why you do it, folks. Views like this. You got Superior straight over there. Never-ending wilderness. Yeah. Right now we're just going this way. There's a stream going all the way down to Superior. We're gonna end over there somewhere. Sleep on the beach or something. Here it is. The next reveal of Jolly Rancher flavor. In 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, yes. Green apple and a grape. The fatigue kicked in. The edibles definitely kicked in. But we finally made it to the bottom and here we are. Pretty good time. I even found a really good stir stick. So spirits are high. Dragonflies eating flies everywhere. Tons of dragonflies all over the place. Flying around, eating flies, doing dragonfly stuff. It's beautiful though. That's beautiful too. Girl. That's pretty intense. It just goes into a hole. That's dope. Hopefully Kelsey doesn't fall in. We're heading down that way. Probably go up here. There's a little walkway and stuff. And then head on down to the touristy area where we're gonna camp. Well, not in the touristy area, but past that. This is it. We're at our site, our final resting place for the day. Pretty good day. We got a cotton candy sunset, a complete Bob Ross, some beautiful rock formations out on the lake. There's a point over here. And on our way in, after 18 miles, a group of like 8 people just invited us over and fed us. We had a great dinner, brats, like a salmon slaw or something. Super bomb. Fresh tomatoes, everything you could ask for, broccoli, delicious. So this is our site. We're kind of cleaning it up a little bit. I don't think anybody stayed here recently at all. And then there's a nice latrine over there with walls on it. So we got everything done. We had Jolly Rancher pulls to see what we got. We looked at mushrooms. We walked about 18-ish miles today. We stopped, had some cool overlooks. I hope you had a good time. I hope you had fun. We sure did. And we'll catch you on the next one. See ya.